As a beginner in the natural hair community who believes that less is always more, I have been insisting on simplifying my hair care routine as much as possible while growing my hair to my desired length. This included avoiding things like pre-pooing and deep conditioning, and my hair has actually grown. But today I have decided to leave my comfort zone and explore the hidden beauty in okra gel. Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want you to sit back and tighten your seat belts as I drive you real quick through how I prepared my okra gel as a first timer, what exactly transpired during the process, what I learned, and my honest review of the gel. First, I cleaned my okra, chopped it into small pieces, added about 4 cups of hot water and let it stand for overnight. The following day, as I was filtering out the juice, I noted that I had added too much water than I needed because the water was not much slippery as I expected. So I strained out the excess juice and then poured okra remnants in my head cup and strained again. This is when I started seeing real gel as I was expecting. The lesson I learned from this whole process is that I only need small amount of hot water to soften the okra. This I have learned the hard way. Next step was applying the gel on my hair, so I poured the gel in the applicator bottle and started applying on my hair. I noted that most of the gel was just slipping off my hair, so I decided to first wet my hair using the excess water I had strained out earlier on, and this is when the gel started sticking on my hair. Another lesson learned is that before applying this gel, my hair has to be damp. I first used a detangling brush to detangle my hair, but I realized I was losing my hair, so I decided to retire the comb forever and use my natural comb, the fingers. They actually did a great job. I made sure I worked in sections, and after every detangling, I made a chunky twist before moving to the next area.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed, I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go, no I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it almost end? Would it matter then?
I then covered my hair with a modified shower cap and waited for 10 minutes to wash the gel out. Okra gel is indeed what they say it is. My hair felt very soft and super clean. My scalp felt very refreshed. And in my opinion, okra gel is so far the best gel for detangling our natural hair.
I did it all, I pulled the weight on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true, cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed, I wanna feel you close again.
Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.